Alright, I'm going to be replacing the hard drive on an Acer Aspire One 722. Can you see that? 722 netbook. Yep. I've had this computer for 4 years. The hard drive failed, so I'm replacing it with a new Silicon Power 120 gigabyte solid state drive. So let's get to it. It's really not that hard. You just need to know what you're looking for, and you'll be able to replace it. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to be working with my Swiss Army knife. It comes with a tiny little screwdriver. That's all you're going to need. So that's the screen. So what you're going to do is shut that, flip it over, turn it around. The first thing you're going to do is remove the battery. You need to slide the lock to your left, then pull the battery out. It's easy as that. Then you're going to look for the only screw that you're going to have on the bottom is right towards the top. There's literally only one screw on this cap. So you find it, you put your screwdriver there, you take it out. It should take only a few seconds. Okay. Okay. Alright. Little screw, don't lose it, it's really tiny. Then what you're going to do in this computer is slide the cover forward about ½ an inch and it should come right off. So there it goes, and then lift it up. So there are the inner works of your computer. If you've ever seen a hard drive, it should be pretty obvious what you're looking for. This is going to be your hard drive. It has a little bit of foam around it for padding, but it should be pretty obvious because you're gonna see the SATA 3 connector right here. The hard drive is not screwed, so it should come right off. Let me use one finger, it should come right off. There it goes. Be very careful not to mess with the SATA 3 connector, because if you mess this, then you're gonna have to replace the whole thing. It comes with a bracket screwed to the hard drive. You can leave the bracket with the hard drive or leave the bracket with the connector. I want to screw my new hard drive to the bracket, so I would like to take the 2 screws off that come with the bracket, just to be safe, so that your new hard drive is safely screwed to the connector. Okay, so you want to screw those two. You take a few seconds, tiny little screw, put it aside, flip it to the other side, and take the other one off. Okay, now carefully pull the bracket off. There he goes. Standard hard drive, 5400 RPM. You know, nothing fancy. Open your new hard drive. Out it comes, very light. The shiny side in the Silicon Power model, the S70, goes down, so you're gonna have the black side facing up. Okay, but you'll be able to tell by the way the connector faces the hard drive. So plug it in. Put the screws back on the bracket to secure your hard drive. This is the reason why I like to leave the bracket with the connector, otherwise the new hard drive is just going to be plugged but not secured. So I like to secure it. Alright, one side in. Second side's in. It should fit comfortably. And it goes. Push a little bit. That should be enough. It doesn't have the padding the other one had, but it should be snug enough that so that the hard drive doesn't wobble around. Okay. Put the cover back in. Slide it back 1/2 inch. Screw go back in. Battery. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. I was able to install a fresh copy of Windows 8.1 from my bootable US drive. You will need at least a 4 GB thumb drive in order to create a bootable device from the Microsoft website. So once you create that, you should plug it in and your BIOS should be able to recognize your new solid state drive. This laptop I've had for about 4 years, as I mentioned before. It's an AMD C-Series processor, dual core at 1 GHz. So it was pretty slow with the standard hard drive, and with the new SSD, the computer, I just turned it on a few minutes ago. It's really snappy, it's really fast. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. I have a stopwatch here so that you can see how long it takes for this little netbook to boot up. It's pretty impressive. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna turn it on and start. Here we go. Windows 8 is booting up. Yep, you see, done. Less than about 15 to 20 seconds. It's good to go. So then I go in there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, I'm going to change that. And you're in. You're good to go. You're in. I've set up this Google Chrome. Well, then this little old laptop has become a little great snappy tool for me to take around. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care.